Everyday English, 5D, Exercise 1, page 60.
Are you okay? You don't look well. I feel terrible. What's wrong? I can't stand it any longer. Then you should see a dentist.
Exercises 2 and 4, page 60.
Are you okay, John? You don't look well.
I feel terrible.
Oh dear, what's wrong?
I've got a dreadful toothache.
Why don't you take a painkiller?
I did, but it still hurts.
When did you take it?
About an hour ago.
Well, it should make you feel better soon.
I can't stand it any longer.
Then you should see a dentist.
I hate going to the dentist.
I'm sorry, but you have to go.
I suppose you're right.